Hello everyone, today is a big day because I finally got my hands on the DJI Air 3S. So much waiting, so much planning, and today I'm going to test it out on top of the mountains. Still hiking, a little out of breath, but trust me, the view from the up there is going to be totally worth it. Not much further, let's keep moving. We made it, finally at the perfect spot. No more waiting, let's launch the DJI Air 3S and see what it can do. Wow, everything looks incredible from up here. This place is even more beautiful from above. Now heading toward the sea, let's see what scenes we can capture there. Check out this boat. Feels like scene straight out of a movie, gliding right through a middle of sea. Also there's someone swimming and the drone is tracking perfectly. Such an awesome shot. Look at the landscapes, mountains, trees and everything looks cinematic from up here. Check this out, we are walking between the trees and the DJI Air 3S is tracking us automatically. No cameraman needed, pure tech magic. This city and the sea view from above, honestly it's like seeing a whole new world. That's it for today's adventure. The DJI Air 3S really impressed me with every shot. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know down below where I should do next cinematic test. See you in the next one. Bye bye.